good evening. Rahul Gandhi and his party disrupted the House. No debate was allowed. Home Minister Amit Shah was ready to answer all questions. He was not allowed to speak. The opposition stalled Parliament over pellet guns. Now Rahul Gandhi is on the streets doing dharna. Same issue, same protest. The question that comes to, I'm sure, also your mind, why block the House first? Why not let the minister speak? Why run to the road, sadak as they say, when the Supreme Court is already looking into it? Rahul, it seems, wants a parallel probe. He wants the street to decide what the court and Parliament should handle. This is the new brand of politics, viewers. Sadak over Sansad, dharna over discussion. Is Rahul Gandhi, you would remember what Yogendra Yadav had said. So is Rahul Gandhi taking a page out of Yogendra Yadav's toolkit model, the man who said streets will shape democracy, not parliament? Are we seeing a repeat of that? Let's open this up quickly.
20 जुलाई को पैलेट गन का प्रयोग हुआ, उसका सबूत क्या है? सबूत ये है, देखिए, ये है पैलेट्स, देख लीजिए इनको। ये कहां से आए? ये इनके शरीर से आए, दिखाओ। ये इनके यहाँ लगे छर्रे, 200 छर्रे इनके शरीर के अंदर है, 3 छर्रे इनकी आंख में है। दिल्ली पुलिस ने कहा कि हमने छर्रे नहीं चलाए। तो एक ही सवाल है, अगर आपने नहीं चलाए तो किसी ने तो ये छर्रे चलाए होंगे। अंदर से हमें बताया जा रहा है कि देखिए, ऊपर से ऑर्डर आया है, एफआईआर नहीं हो सकता है। गोली चलाई जा सकती है, मगर इस देश में अमित शाह की होम मिनिस्ट्री, दिल्ली पुलिस के लोग न्याय नहीं दिलवाने देंगे।
Pradeep Bhandari is the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, national media co-convener of the BJP. Tushar Gupta on the show, Ashwini Mishra, leader of the Congress Party, Shyam Prasad Mekha, leader of the Congress Party, Ruben Mascarenhas, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, IP Singh Ji, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, and Dr. Anand Ranganathan completes the panel. Ashwini Ji, when the Home Minister said, I am ready to answer all questions, ask me what you want to, let's have a debate and discussion in the House, Rahul Gandhi said, no, nothing doing. You must resign, the Prime Minister must apologize. Why do stunts like this on the road?
Does it sound stunt to you, Pranesh? Speaking for the people, speaking for the justice, speaking for the rights of the victims.
Mr. Mishra, are you aware that the Supreme Court is seized of the matter, sir? You can't have a parallel probe. Do you now, after undermining the Parliament, you want to undermine the Supreme Court?
Who's undermining the Parliament? Is it not the BJP government and Amit Shah? This lathi charge on the students happened on 20th July. And Amit Shah woke up after what, 22 days, that I will reply just one day before the last day of Parliament monsoon session. Where is the time for debate? So you are running away.
So one day was not enough. When did the Parliament session end, sir? What was Rahul Gandhi thinking? Devising strategy of doing this?
You tell me, when a theft happened at a place on some day, and police start probing after what, 22 days?
अश्विनी जी, ये बार-बार आप थेफ्ट का क्यों एग्जांपल देते हैं? क्या ट्रॉमा है आपको? एग्जांपल में तो थोड़ी उसमें वेरिएशन लाइए ना। थेफ्ट वाला आप एग्जांपल देते हैं, राहुल गांधी कहते हैं वोट चोरी। ये क्या हो गया आप लोगों को? चोरी से इतना ऑब्सेशन क्यों है? मैं आपसे सीधा सवाल पूछ रहा हूं। सुप्रीम कोर्ट इस मामले को ऑलरेडी देख रही है। पार्लियामेंट में आपके पास चांस था होम मिनिस्टर को कॉर्नर करना, गवर्नमेंट को आप, यू कुड हैव पुट द गवर्नमेंट ऑन द मैट। आप लोगों ने चलने नहीं दिया। आप ये बोल रहे हैं कि इस पे जवाब दो, कार्रवाई करो।
गणेश, सरकार चलाने की, पार्लियामेंट चलाने की जिम्मेदारी सरकार की होती है। एंड वी वर आस्किंग वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द डे वन, फ्रॉम द 20th, that home minister should take an accountability and explain why these pellet guns been used. पुलिस कह रही है pellet gun हमने चलाई नहीं है। पुलिस कह रही है, अमित शाह कह रहे हैं हमने लाठीचार्ज का ऑर्डर नहीं दिया। तो पुलिस को क्या कोई आकाशवाणी हुई थी कि लाठीचार्ज करना है, पैलेट गन चलाना? और पैलेट गन कहां से आ गए? वी आर सीकिंग जस्टिस, वी आर सीकिंग अ एफआईआर। दैट इज दैट नॉट अ नॉर्मल कोर्स?
Pradeep Bhandari, why is the government not answering just one question that Rahul Gandhi wants answered about pellet guns?
The matter has been seized by the Supreme Court, and basic common sense tells us that whenever the court is cognizant of the matter, these submissions will be given in the court of law. So if Rahul Gandhi believes in more of a Dharna Nayak rather than believing in the democracy, I cannot help it. Yesterday only, just 2 days back, the Supreme Court formed a high-power committee. In the high-powered committee, every investigation will be looked at, and if there is any police excess, it will be looked at. But the larger point, Pranesh, here is that Rahul Gandhi has, if you look at it, Rahul Gandhi is looking at one issue after the other. It's a shoot and scoot strategy, because he's understood that in an organized manner he cannot get the support of the people of the country. So if you look what happens in Mumbai, people are paid 25,000 rupees in order to attend Rahul Gandhi to manufacture a quote unquote support for Rahul in Chhatron ki Goonj. Here Rahul Gandhi runs a PR script कि भाई 10 मिनट बैठ जाओ, आधे घंटे बैठ जाओ, 2 घंटे बैठ जाओ, जिससे पता चल जाएगा कि आप छात्रों की बात कर रहे हो. But that same enthusiasm and excitement is not shown when it is in Jharkhand. My fundamental submissions is the following. Submission number 1A: when the court is seized of the matter, only a man who does not believe in the court of law and the democracy in the constitutional will do this dharna. B: this reminds me of the Dimagi Naxal mindset which the Prime Minister spoke about, because the Dimagi Naxal mindset exactly is about spreading anarchy, or is about organizing or institutionalized anarchy when the required institutions are seized of the matter.
Mr. Mehta?
Yeah. Pranesh, the simple thing is, why we are confusing things? Why we are complicating it? Why are you talking about Rahul Gandhi and all that? Simple thing is, there is a victim of a cognizable crime who went to the police station and asking for an FIR to be registered. Why it was not done since a week? Simple thing, as media, you should also be asking.
Sir,
hey,
we've asked the questions. We've also got the answer to some of these questions, sir. I said that the Supreme Court has ordered a high-level probe into this. There is a panel which will look into it. We are also being told that the Delhi police, one minute, sir, the Delhi police, does not operate on a case-to-case basis. It does not get instruction from, 1 minute, sir, 1 minute. Maybe you don't know how policing works. The complaint that was given by this pellet gun victim is being considered. We are being told that an FIR could also be registered. Larger point is that when the Home Minister, you wanted the government to answer, when the Home Minister said, I will answer, why didn't you allow Amit Shah to answer?
No, okay. You are now going back to some other topic. It's not about the parliament debate. What we are asking today is about the FIR, right? Now, don't tell me the matter is sub judice and all that. Yeah, if you and I have a matter which is sub judice, you come and bash me up, won't I go and file an FIR against you? Don't tell me all this. Don't take the
Sir, who am I to tell you anything, sir? Pradeep Bhandari.
Just a fundamental factual correction. The moment Rahul Gandhi entered the station and filed a complaint, the police said that we've submitted the complaint. After the submission of the complaint happened, Rahul Gandhi sat on a dharna. So this is where I'm saying this is purely for cameras. Had the police said that we will not accept the complaint, because acceptance of complaint of any individual who's a complainant is a fundamental right. So the police did their duty. Rahul Gandhi, if was honest in going forward to the police station, he would have gone. But he did entire PR stunt in order to act as quote unquote mercy of students. But the truth of the matter is that Rahul Gandhi is undermining democracy in trying to divert the attention, because in last 72 hours he had no answer on Vande Mataram and Sonia Gandhi was caught insulting Vande Mataram. That is the truth of the matter. So he's trying to divert the attention from no questions which they have been able to answer.
I'm sure Ashwini ji will have something to say on that, but I want to bring in Dr. Ranganathan. Dr. Ranganathan, Mr. Mehta is accusing me of going back on some other issue, which is not the point. Rahul Gandhi's fundamental pitch, the highlight of his attack against the government was pellet guns, firing by the police, that the Home Minister must answer. When the Home Minister said, I am ready to do so, they didn't allow him to answer. And now this protest today.
Good evening, Pranesh, and good evening to my fellow panelists. For the first time, for a very long time on your panel, I am disappointed by what my good friend and exceedingly erudite Mr. Mehta has said. I am never surprised by Ashwini ji, because his utterances and absurdities are completely known to me. But I don't expect the kind of the logic and rationale that Ashwini ji uses to be used by Mehta ji, and I'll tell you why. Mehta ji is seasoned. He knows what the police procedure is according to the Police Act. There are ample people out here on this panel who know that this is a 3-tier, 3-graded response. The first position was of Section 144 to be imposed. The second position was there has to be a non-lethal, lathi charge. There has to be a water cannon. There has to be barricades. The third one was less lethal or non-lethal force. That includes pellet gun. Now, this is a standard procedure, and this is not to be ordered by the Home Minister, who has to be on the streets, or any parliamentarian or any minister. It has to be done by the police officers or officer who is supervising the situation. Mr. Meka knows this. This has happened in Jharkhand after it happened on Parliament Street. This has happened in every state ruled by the Congress or by the BJP. He knows it. Ashwini ji might not know it. It's another matter. That is why I am disappointed, because the orders were not given by Amit Shah, because pellet guns have been used previously in Kashmir. It is ratified and ordered and also accepted by the Supreme Court. Where is the illegality? This is what has disappointed me, Mr. Meka. I am sorry to use these words against you. So let us go by logic and rationale. The police graded response was used exactly
Mr.
how
Meka,
the Police Act says it should be.
You have
Please
another chance to impress Dr. Ranganathan.
So it's not about impressing. So the point is, Dr. Ranganathan, if it is a procedure, then why don't the government or police come out and say, hey, we followed this process, and this is the officer who ordered it in his best judgment of the situation. Who judged the situation? Tell me.
Sir,
Who
the
judges the
DCP rank officer who judged the situation, that is part of the police diary, sir. It will all be presented in the Supreme Court. Who is trying to hide what, Tushar?
You know, Pranesh, Rahul Gandhi has now started indulging in the politics of social media. He understands that he cannot win the electoral trust of the people. He understands he cannot win the mandate of the people. He is largely unimpressive. And in the parliament also, he ends up making a fool of himself every time he tries to deliver a speech. So I think his new tactic now is to take onto the streets, get some social media currency, perhaps find some new followers on Instagram or elsewhere, and try to run his politics. This, again, is the same old playbook where Rahul Gandhi tries to stay relevant. He's not there for the cause. He's there for himself, trying to stay relevant, trying to make a point before his party members that, look, even if I'm closing in on 100 electoral defeats, I'm still relevant. I can still put out my charade. I can still put on the drama, and you should continue to allow me to lead you. That is what Rahul Gandhi's politics is. He's not interested in the man who was with him right there. He's not interested in his mother or the cause or any other thing. He's just interested in furthering his political career, which is anyway almost on an electoral ventilator.
I thought I would go to Ashwini Mishra, but I think, he's disappeared. Maybe some problem with the line. Yes, Dr. Ranganathan.
Just to correct, they normally always correct, Tushar. It is not 100 defeat, it is 99, Tushar.
Okay. IP Singh जी, आप तो सर काफी मानते हैं राहुल गांधी जी को, आपके अलायंस पार्टनर भी हैं वो. क्या ये तरीका सही है? संसद नहीं चलने देना, और जैसे योगेंद्र यादव ने कहा था, अब इस देश में फैसला सड़क से होगा.
देखिए, सरकार झूठ बोलती है. आपको याद होगा कि जंतर मंतर पर किस तरह से ब्रूटली लाठी चार्ज हुआ, पैलेट गन चले, वाटर कैनन चले, यहां तक कि जो लड़कियां थी, जो बेटियां थी, उनको भी मारा पीटा गया. और सवाल ये खड़ा होता है कि संसद के अंदर जितेंद्र सिंह जो केंद्रीय मंत्री हैं, जहां भी कमिश्नरी होती है, मजिस्ट्रेट नहीं होता. वो ऑटोनोमस पावर पुलिस कमिश्नर को होता है, वही मजिस्ट्रेट होता है, वही पुलिस होती है, वही ऑर्डर देता है. और जितेंद्र सिंह ने संसद में खड़े होके कहा कि मजिस्ट्रेट ऑर्डर दिया. आप बताइए, जो एक्शन पुलिस ने लिया, पुलिस के ऊपर नियंत्रण किसका है? देश के गृह मंत्री का. दिल्ली में शासन किसका है? बीजेपी का है. गृह मंत्री जी के अंदर पुलिस आती है. तो आप जिस तरह से कार्रवाई आपने की, जिस तरह से पैलेट गन्स से बच्चे घायल हुए, अगर
अच्छा आईपी सिंह जी, मुझे ये बताइए कितने बच्चे घायल हुए हैं पैलेट गन से? आप तो बहुत जानकारी रखते हैं, कितने घायल हुए हैं?
अपना सवाल रिपीट करिएगा प्रदेश जी।
सर, कितने बच्चे घायल हुए? पैलेट गन इंजरी कितने बच्चों को आई है?
सवाल ये नहीं है।
अरे क्यों नहीं है सवाल? अब वो जस्टिस तो उन्हीं के लिए चाहिए, तो आपको पता तो होना चाहिए किसके लिए लड़ रहे हैं आप। आपको ये पता भी नहीं है कितने लोगों को इंजरी आई है और आप वहां पे धरना देने चले गए हैं। ये कौन सा, ये क्या मॉडल है पॉलिटिक्स का?
विद्यालय नहीं, सवाल यही है कि बीजेपी
मैं अगर आपकी जगह होता तो मैं कहता, अगर वो संख्या 1 भी है तो उसको न्याय मिलना चाहिए। आप सर ये नहीं कह सकते ना, ये सवाल ये नहीं है, सवाल वो नहीं। आईपी सिंह जी, क्या करते हैं आप? डॉक्टर रंगनाथन।
हाँ, नहीं, देखिए 3 बातें मुझे कहनी है और हो सकता है मैं 3 अपने फ्रेंड्स को यहाँ पे भाइयों को एनॉय कर दूं। पहली बात तो आईपी सिंह जी फैक्चुअली रॉन्ग है। जंतर मंतर पे वायलेंस नहीं हुआ था, वहां पे तो प्रोटेस्ट की परमिशन थी। जब इन्होंने इलीगल मार्च किया टुवर्ड्स पार्लियामेंट, वहां पे लाठीचार्ज हुआ और वहां पे ये टीयर गैसिंग हुई और वहां पे ये पैलेट गन चली। सो यू आर फैक्चुअली रॉन्ग आईपी सिंह जी। नंबर 2, मैं मेका जी से पूछना चाहता हूं कि अंडर द यूपीए जब कश्मीर में जहां पे लॉ एंड ऑर्डर वॉज दी अंडर एफ्सपा पे था और यूनियन गवर्नमेंट के अंडर था, वहां पे जब पैलेट गन्स चली थी तो जिन पे चली थी क्या उन्होंने एफआईआर किया था गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट? वहां पे व्हाई डू यू हैव 2 रूल्स? और थर्डली, मैं अपने भाई प्रदीप से पूछा था, पहले तो आई कांग्रेचुलेट हिम फॉर गेटिंग द न्यू पोजीशन, लेकिन इनसे पूछना चाहता हूं कि सरकार इतनी डरी हुई क्यों है? जो 18 साल से नीचे जिन्होंने वायलेंस किया उनके अगेंस्ट एफआईआर क्यों हटा दिया गया? इजंट दैट रॉन्ग? फर्स्ट टाइम ऑफेंडर्स पे आपने हटा दिया। अगर कोई फर्स्ट टाइम ऑफेंडर वायलेंस करता है, क्यों मान ली?
क्योंकि इस फर्स्ट टाइम ऑफेंडर जो है वो फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर भी तो बनेगा पार्टी का।
मैं जवाब देना चाहता हूं। देखिए, आप दोनों का इंटरप्रिटेशन है, पर मैं आनंद जी आपको कह रहा हूं, आप इंटरप्रेट थोड़ा गलत कर रहे हैं। जो भी क्रिमिनल है, वो क्रिमिनल जो प्रोटेस्ट में था उसको छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा। कोई भी क्रिमिनल को छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा। और मैं आपसे निवेदन कर रहा हूं आनंद जी, अगर आपको लग रहा है अन्याय हो रहा है तो आप एक एसएलपी दाखिल करिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट के अंदर और उस अन्याय को दाखिल होने से रोकिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके साथ अन्याय को दाखिल होने से रुकवाने में आपकी भी मदद करूंगा। आप और मैं दोनों न्याय के लिए बात कर रहे हैं और इनोसेंट और मासूमों के साथ में खड़े हैं, न्याय की वायलेंस के साथ में जो 2000 से ज्यादा क्रिमिनल्स थे। तो मेरा आपसे हाथ जोड़कर निवेदन आनंद जी, आई रिस्पेक्ट यू एज एन एरुडाइट मैन विद अ लॉट ऑफ sense, wisdom and scientific temper, but if you are seeing that there is अन्याय happening or injustice happening, I recommend and request you as a brother that please file an intervening petition in the Supreme Court, because as far as we are there, we will not leave any criminal, and or send the details to me so that I will take it forward. But a 10 seconds point, Anand ji, I am very shocked today that one point has been missed by such a great man like you. 25,000 rupees was paid today by the Congress PR agency to attend Rahul Gandhi's rally. So is this, my charge here is that there is a PR stunt which Rahul will perform in Pune where protest is being manufactured. Is this what Rahul is being doing outside the police station? Nothing but a PR stunt which his agency has said.
So if I am not wrong, are you trying to say that वहां पे भीड़ नहीं जुटा पा रही है उनकी पार्टी, तो यहीं बैठ जाए?
हाँ, 100% नहीं, ये उनका एक स्क्रिप्ट है। राहुल गांधी को पीछे से फोन आता है जो पीआर एजेंसी हायर करी, सुनो राहुल एक काम करो, वहां पे भीड़ नहीं हो रही, 25,000 रुपए देंगे, राहुल की रैली पे आओ, राहुल यहाँ पे बैठ जाओ। तो राहुल गांधी रिमोट कंट्रोल जैसे जो होता है ना, रील बन जाएगी 30 सेकंड की, 40 सेकंड की। आज रील के लिए राहुल गांधी राजनीति कर रहे हैं, ना कि जनता के लिए।
मिस्टर मेका, यू विल हैव टू आंसर दैट क्वेश्चन, बट बिफोर डॉक्टर रंगनाथन वांट्स टू से समथिंग, उनको क्या क्या बोल दिया गया? विजडम, कॉमन सेंस, साइंटिफिक टेम्पर।
इट्स सच अ ग्रेट कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर अ मैन लाइक हिम।
नहीं, वो तो है, बाकी जो लोग हैं वो सोच रहे हैं उनकी भी तारीफ में 1-2 शब्द कह देते। आप सब एडजेक्टिव्स वहीं घुमा दिया आपने।
बस कर, पगले रुलाएगा क्या? नो, बट देखिए क्या स्लाइट ऑफ हैंड किया है। दिस इज व्हाई आई रियली एडमायर प्रदीप। ही से कोई भी क्रिमिनल नहीं छोड़ा जाएगा। अब ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्या कहा और सरकार ने क्या माना है कि फर्स्ट टाइम ऑफेंडर्स अंडर 18 जो है उन पे सारे विड्रॉ कर लें तो वो क्रिमिनल नहीं है। जो ऑलरेडी क्रिमिनल कह चुके हैं उन पे नहीं छोड़ रहे, लेकिन जो फर्स्ट टाइम ऑफेंडर्स हैं उनको आप छोड़ रहे हैं, एफआईआर नहीं करा रहे। सो यू आर फैक्चुअली रॉन्ग देयर। नंबर 2, 25,000 की बात देखिए, मेरा कोई लेना देना नहीं है, क्योंकि जब भी कांग्रेस इलेक्शन लड़ती है तो डिपॉजिट 25,000 होता है। वो वहां पे इलेक्शन लड़ना छोड़ दिया तो यहां पे 25,000 यूज कर रहे हैं। क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपको यार?
आनंद जी, मैं आपको वापस से कहूंगा, किसी ने भी किसी ने भी अगर वायलेंस किया है, we will not leave the person. Be assured about it. Let the proceedings happen. You will come on Pranesh so again and say that yes, you stand corrected. We will not leave anybody. I give this to you. I give this guarantee to you. If you want, I can give this to you in writing also, Anandji.
लिख दीजिए सर.
Glad you are giving this. I'm glad you are giving this guarantee, but it is at variance with what your
No,
government
it
in
is
Bihar
the
did.
same thing in the court. आप मेरे साथ चलो, मैं आपको हियरिंग में लेके जाऊंगा, आप खुद खुश हो जाओगे. क्या हो, पूरी कोर्ट की चीजें बाहर नहीं आ पाती हैं, वो लोग जो रिपोर्ट करते उससे दिक्कत हो जाती है.
इसमें भी मीडिया की गलती निकाल दिया.
मैं तो मीडिया शब्द का प्रयोग ही नहीं किया.
तो वो रिपोर्ट कौन कर रहा है भाई?
वहां पे वो लोग लिख नहीं पाए इतनी जल्दबाजी.
जितने ब्राइट लोग हैं सब पॉलिटिकल पार्टी में चले गए. मिस्टर मेका, जवाब दीजिए सर. राहुल गांधी has not been able, Congress party has not been able to manage numbers for his rally, which is why this is a deflection. That's the charge from the BJP.
Okay, now see the hypocrisy of it. I don't need to respond to that baseless, bereft of facts statement, right? This is just a diversionary tactic. Now the point is about why Rahul Gandhi is sitting on a dharna. That's the point. He's talking about, okay, how they are mobilizing people, nobody is coming. Then why are you worried about Rahul Gandhi? Why are you discussing about Rahul Gandhi here?
I'll tell you why.
Right? So it's not like everybody. See, Narendra Modi takes people from India out to other countries for doing those dances and all that. See, that is not the point, right?
He takes people from India to do those dances, Mr. Meka.
That's a very, obnoxious statement he's made. First of all, those are cultural performances. This is an insult to Bharat's culture. What are you saying, sir? And I am not speaking bereft of facts. I have the audio here. I have the audio of your agency paying 25,000 rupees. But why am I worried? Because the precedent that you are setting कि सड़क से नहीं संसद नहीं सड़क से चलेगी. This is exactly organized urban naxalism or dimagi naxalism that you are practicing. Today it is police station. Tomorrow it will be something else. परसों कुछ और होगा. तो कैसे चलेगा देश भाई? संविधान से चलेगा ना देश. संविधान में तो ये नहीं लिखा कि पुलिस स्टेशन में कंप्लेंट जब दाखिल हो गई उसके बाद धरने में बैठ जाओ. कल को आप कहाँ धरने पे? आप घर पे अपने धरने पे बैठ जाओ.
Tell me something, Pradeep. Is the government rattled by growing popularity of Rahul Gandhi? वो क्योंकि अपने स्पीच में कहते रहते हैं कि ये सरकार तो गई.
Rahul Gandhi and CJP are competing with each other and Rahul is insecure. तभी जिस दिन CJP वालों को जनता उनका आईना दिखाती है उस दिन राहुल गांधी को लग रहा है फुटेज उनके पास नहीं आ रही तो आ जाते हैं. We are not rattled. We are in fact happy that the people are showing mirror to those who believe in organized anarchy and dimagi naxalism. We are not at all worried. We are happy Rahul is doing this.
Where is the Aam Aadmi Party in all of this? If Rahul Gandhi is demanding justice for the students or for those who were, injured by pellets, where is the AAP today? Why are your leaders not out there with Rahul Gandhi?
No. First of all, I'll need a couple of minutes to make my points, and I would expect to be heard and not interjected. Number one, this is absolutely hypocrisy on display. When Pradeep Gupta speaks about so-called criminals,
Pradeep Gupta nahi hai, ye Pradeep Bhandari hai. We will get Pradeep Gupta the next time. Get the name right at least, if not the facts.
शीश महल में बैठ अभी शीश महल में बैठ
The BJP spokesperson, the facts are correct. The facts are correct.
शीश
The
महल
facts
में
are correct. Let me finish. Okay, Pradeep.
बोलो.
I mean, Pradeep Bhandari says that there were criminals at Jantar Mantar. Okay, what was the government doing? How did these criminals get there? How many so-called criminals cancellation of bail has this government applied in courts? This is nothing but hypocrisy. This is nothing but tainting. This is कीचड़ उछालो कुछ तो चिपकेगा. It's just the standard model. That's point number one.
That is the Kejriwal model. You should be happy BJP is following the Kejriwal model. कीचड़ उछालो कुछ तो चिपकेगा ही. शीला दीक्षित को जेल कर दूंगा, अंबानी को जेल कर दूंगा, इसको जेल कर दूंगा, उसको जेल कर दूंगा. खुद ही जेल चले गए.
You have to allow me to make my point.
Yeah, please.
Rahul Gandhi is a non-serious politician. कर्म करने जाते हैं और कांड हो जाता है. That's for another day. But fact of the matter is that the issue of pellets is a serious issue.
It is a serious issue, which is why I am asking, why is the Aam Aadmi Party not there at the police station? Why are you allowing Rahul Gandhi Congress Party to, run away with all the credit, limelight? What have you?
Rahul Gandhi is following our lead. That's it. whether it is E20 ethanol, whether it is NEET, whether it is Chanda Chori, Rahul Gandhi is following Arvind Kejriwal's lead. That's for a different matter. But the fact is, people
Okay, we have a problem in that line. 1 minute. In not what you are saying, obviously that is problematic, but in the line, in the internet connection, I mean, Ruben, so let's try and fix that. IP Singh ji, ये जो मुद्दा राहुल गांधी जी ने उठाया है, जो कि आपके फेवरेट पॉलिटिशियन है, वो मुद्दा कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, पहले तो ये बताइए।
नहीं, सवाल मुद्दे का नहीं है।
मुद्दे का है ही नहीं सवाल किसका है सर?
देश में बेरोजगारी, महंगाई और
तो सर महंगाई पे कंप्लेन किस पे कर रहे हैं वो? एफआईआर में क्या महंगाई किसको, आरोपी किसको बना रहे हैं? महंगाई और ये सब तो मुद्दे हैं ही। राहुल गांधी पुलिस स्टेशन अगर गए हैं कंप्लेन करने, आईपी सिंह जी ऐसे मत कीजिए ना प्लीज। आप इतने तैयार होके आते हैं, ये कुर्ता और उसके ऊपर जैकेट ये सब पहन के, एक दो बात तो ऐसी कीजिए कि आपको फिर बाकी जगह बुलाया जाए। एक सुनिए मेरी बात, मुझे ये बताइए कि राहुल गांधी ने जो ये मुद्दा उठाया है, उसको 1 में से 10 में आप कितना इंपॉर्टेंट समझते हैं, मुझे ये बताइए।
बाजी विपक्ष के नेता करते हैं। अरे इसकी शुरुआत तो बीजेपी से हुई।
कोई बात सर, बीजेपी बहुत खराब है। मैं चाहता हूं कि आप मिलके बीजेपी को एक्सपोज कीजिए। मुझे ये बताइए, ये इतना इंपॉर्टेंट मुद्दा है, उसको एक ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 10 आप उसको कहां पे आंकते हैं?
क्या ये देखिए, धरना और प्रदर्शन ये विपक्ष का अधिकार है। क्या
तो सर पूरा अधिकार है, कौन कह रहा है धरना नहीं करना चाहिए? लेकिन जो सवाल पार्लियामेंट में जिसका जवाब मिल रहा है, आप वहां नहीं लेंगे और सड़क पे लेंगे, तो योगेंद्र यादव मॉडल हो गया ना सर। ये तो राम मनोहर लोहिया ने नहीं कहा था, ये योगेंद्र यादव ने कहा था, सड़क से चलेगा। अब आप मेरे सवाल का जवाब दीजिए, ये अगर इतना इंपॉर्टेंट मुद्दा है तो अखिलेश यादव क्यों नहीं है?
नहीं, सवाल ये है कि वो उत्तर प्रदेश में है, लखनऊ में है, यहां मीटिंग चल रही है। अगर वहां
तो चलिए आप मीटिंग का ही बता दीजिए, जो मीटिंग कर रहे हैं उसमें आप कांग्रेस को कितनी सीटें दे रहे हैं? आप सीट दे रहे हैं उनको या चाय पकौड़ा दे रहे हैं, क्या दे रहे हैं उनको?
देखिए, चाय पकौड़ा नहीं, सवाल देखिए मुद्दों पर हम सब बहस करें तो ज्यादा बेहतर है।
तो सर आप ही उस तरफ चले गए ना, मैं तो मुद्दे पे ये था, आपने बोला मुद्दे की बात नहीं है, इसकी बात नहीं है। डॉक्टर रंगनाथन।
No, देखिए, I am going to make a prediction. I hope panelists would not mind. I predict that because of his forthrightness and erudition, Mr. Meka will become Prime Minister of India much before Rahul Gandhi. That is why I want to. Why? I am giving you a compliment, Mr. Meka. Please,
Mr. Meka. Why? No. Why
is why I want you to answer this
What is the problem, Mr. Meka? You should say thank you.
No.
You don't want to become the Prime Minister?
I know the sleight of hand behind that compliment.
Sleight of hand? There is no sleight of hand.
Don't.
Okay, do you want to become the Prime Minister?
No, I don't want to. We कांग्रेस लोग हम पद के पीछे नहीं पड़ते. We stand for values. We stand for the
values.
People.
The Congress has been calling Rahul Gandhi Gen Z super cool PM. ये कौन सा है सर? ये पद है या कुछ और है?
That is incidental. Incidentally, we might get some posts.
Okay, Dr. Ranganathan, try again.
Yeah, no, I had asked him a question and he didn't answer it. So can I please, with his permission, ask it again? In 2010, UPA under Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and Omar Abdullah, who was in alliance there in Kashmir, used extensive pellet guns. Was any FIR allowed to be filed by the innocent people on whom, youngsters, Kashmiris on whom pellet guns were used by the Congress? Yes or no? Please answer.
I don't know. I need to check. Right?
So 16.
Yeah.
16 years.
16 years ago, did Anand Ranganathan went there and did a dharna for those FIRs to be filed?
But that's not the... No, Mr. Mehta is getting it completely wrong. Forget the post. At least get the sense. Tushar.
No, again, we have to understand this entire charade that Rahul Gandhi carried out in front of a police station today. It is for social media. He is competing with the CJP and the Aam Aadmi Party for attention. Both CJP and Aam Aadmi Party are the same branches of the same tree. So let's be very clear about that. But increasingly in the coming months, you'll see how Rahul Gandhi tries to weaponize the streets to further his politics. This is the new brand he's going to go for. If you look at the previous sessions of the parliament, he came up with one excuse after the other to stall the parliament. But he's now run out of fuel, run out of gas, and now he'll take to the streets. The next step would be demanding the resignation of Amit Shah. Because at the end of the day, we have to understand Congress is afraid of delimitation, which is inevitable, which is coming up in one of the sessions in the coming months. So that is where Congress's focus is. Even yesterday, they were asking for another 25 years of freeze. So expect Rahul Gandhi to take to the streets far more often, because that is the only option he has left. It helps him retain whatever brand ability he has within his party and to compete with the Aam Aadmi Party, which are his natural vote cutters. This is the new reality the Congress has to live within.
Mr. Mehta?
Yeah.
Is Tushar right or wrong?
No, he is entitled to have his opinions. Okay, he can voice that.
Okay,
Right.
Ruben has a better line now. Yes, Ruben.
Yes. So 2-3 things. Am I audible? Am I audible right now?
Yeah, but the network is still patchy, you know. But try. Let's see how it goes.
No. So quickly, the BJP spokesperson was essentially speaking about criminals being present at Jantar Mantar. I mean, what is the government doing? How did these so-called criminals get there? Point number one. Second is, if people are out on bail, are they not supposed to protest? Point number two. Point number three, if these people are criminals, then how many so-called cancellation of bail applications were made by the government in the courts? It is nothing. This is hypocritical. This is nothing but a smear campaign. With respect to Rahul Gandhi is a non-serious politician. वो कर्म करने जाते हैं, वो कांड हो जाता है.
No, why are you calling Rahul Gandhi non-serious, Ruben? No, I'm taking offense on behalf of Mr. Mehta. You tell me.
No, but let me finish. You don't put a protest on hold just because you're holidaying. You don't do that. And
Mr.
that is exactly
Mehta,
what happened in the middle of the
I had been
protest.
avoiding it, but now that this has come up, when is the next Thailand trip, sir?
Well, I haven't taken offense at it. You can try and do your stuff, usual stuff against Rahul Gandhi, Congress Party.
Against Rahul Gandhi?
You can call us names.
I'm not calling you any names. What names have I used, sir? Is Thailand a name? It's a name of a country. The charge is from your, India Alliance partner, Aam Aadmi Party. Rahul Gandhi is a non-serious politician because in the middle of a protest, he goes abroad. Nobody knows where he disappears.
Rahul Gandhi is a non-serious politician. Congress is anti-India, anti-Hindu. Sonia Gandhi is Italian. Over. Okay, now come back to the topic. Now, how many times will you repeat all these things?
Mr. Ruben, why are you repeating the same old thing? How dare you call Sonia Gandhi Italian?
That's one. But coming to the topic at hand, I repeat, Rahul Gandhi is a non-serious politician. But the issue with regards to the pellet guns are a serious issue. I strongly differ with my friend Mr. Ranganathan, who said graded police response was used. You do not use pellet guns. You do not use pellet guns. I'm sorry, that is unacceptable. It is not legitimate use of force. Second, this same government...
No, 1 minute. Ruben, 1 minute. The pellet guns, that is not an illegal weapon. It is not. What happened in Bihar, in Siwan, that was the problem. You can't use assault rifle. That is a problem. There is no debate on that. That cop must be named, shamed, action should be taken, etc. But pellet guns are very much part of that graded, response apparatus, weapon, whatever you want to call it. You can Google and find it out. Pradeep Bhandari?
No, I have just one point of advice. If Congress is such an insincere party, why did the Aam Aadmi Party do an alliance with the Congress Party in Lok Sabha? and he was speaking about criminals. He comes from the party of Tahir Hussain, who's convicted of the anti-Hindu Delhi riot, where IB officer Ankit Sharma was lynched and killed by the Aam Aadmi Party. I have a specific here, Pranesh. The specific is they are following the model of organized anarchy ki sadak se chalegi. If they believe in this model, then they should not complain on what has happened in Rajasthan, because in Rajasthan also, even though violence has taken place, which we do not agree with, but the villagers have expressed their ire against the Chota recharge of Aam Aadmi Party. So they cannot be selective on sadak pe chalegi.
छोटा रिचार्ज कौन है आम आदमी पार्टी का?
वही जो सब ये घूम रहे हैं।
ये तो मुझे एक बात बताइए, आप कह रहे हैं कि ये सड़क से आप चलने नहीं देंगे, 2 मंत्री किसने भेज दिए थे वहां पे? आप लोगों ने भेज दिए थे ना, तो एम्बोल्डन कर दिया आपने। अब राहुल गांधी सोच रहे हैं कि नड्डा जी कब आएंगे मुझसे मिलने, जब तक वो नहीं बोलेंगे मैं उठूंगा नहीं।
नहीं, वो उठ ही गए अब, बस आप आधा 1 घंटे में, हम लोग जब डिबेट इस वक्त के कर रहे हैं उसके पहले या पहले उठ ही जाएंगे वो। उनका उठने का तो तय है उनका। मैंने आपको क्या कहा, आप निकाल लीजिए, इट्स अ प्लान्ड PR script. He is given a PR script on WhatsApp that you have to perform this act. This is the act which he has performed. Then now he will move to Pune, where 25,000 is being given to students कि राहुल के रैली के अंदर आ जाओ, they'll perform the act. After all of this, Pranesh, can you take the guarantee from the Congress and the opposition that if they lose an election, they will not say EVM chori ho?
Mr. Mehta, can you at least say that?
What? Say what?
That if you lose an election, you will not attribute that loss to machines. You will attribute that to your leader.
क्योंकि अब तो सभी कर रहे हैं।
No, Pranesh, we are not afraid of doing our politics. We are not afraid of losing elections. We are not elated to win elections. We are a serious political party. We do the politics for the love of the country and the love of the people.
That's a profound message, Dr. Ranganathan. I don't know what is keeping you busy with your head down. You just missed the gem. We are not disappointed with election loss. We are not elated with election win. Why are they in this then? Mr. Mehta, why are you in it?
Yeah, we do the politics because of our love for the country and
love
its people.
For the country. Because of love for the country, you berate the Jawans. Yeah, Tushar.
Love for the family, not love for the country. Let's be very clear about it. Every Congress worker is in the Congress for the love of the family and the hope that they'll get something from the family. And about when will Rahul Gandhi get up from the protest side? अब 30 सेकंड की रील के लिए 30 घंटे तो बैठेंगे नहीं। 30 सेकंड की रील के लिए ज्यादा से ज्यादा 3 घंटे बैठ जाएंगे, थोड़े बहुत एंगल से शूट करवा लेंगे, and that will be the end of it. That is the new protest economy sponsored by Rahul Gandhi, endorsed by the Congress and aimed by the Aam Aadmi Party.
But you know, protest is not bad. You know, people are entitled to protest. It is a democratic thing to do as long as the protest is peaceful and non-violent, Tushar. Why grudge anyone the right to protest?
No one is grudging. No one is grudging, I think, against Rahul Gandhi because he's protesting. It's just that his tactics have become now very old and very boring and very repetitive. So that is what I'm calling out, that he's taking to social media for the same old repetitive tactics to be accepted within the Gen Z.
Okay, Dr. Ranganathan.
No, I'm sorry, I was looking down because I have this thing, you know, I've requested you many times that whenever a lot of panelists come in, please have a live fact-checking thing. I was trying to extract information from the UPA Sarkar and Omar Abdullah Sarkar of why they did not file a single FIR when hundreds of quote-unquote innocent under 18 Kashmiris were fired upon by the less lethal force of pellet guns. And the AAP spokesperson, him saying that it is illegal, I'm sorry. Supreme Court has accepted that it is a legal mechanism for controlling a riot or a mob. So he needs to get his facts right. The fact of the matter is, here I'm supporting the Congress. They did the right thing. If the Supreme Court says it is fine to use pellet guns under the graded 3rd grade response, why are we objecting to it? Are we the Chief Justice of India? Are we in a position to say, or has Parliament negated or overturned Supreme Court judgment? If it has, then I apologize. But if it hasn't, it's a bona fide
one minute. Dr. Rangana, you're mixing up things, you're getting it all wrong. In the Yogendra Yadav scheme of things, the Supreme Court does not have the authority or the majesty. I'm sorry to say. You've heard the man. I'm only repeating what he has said. Sadak se chalega, Parliament has no primacy. So let's leave it here and see, you know,
Can
what
I
happens.
request, Pranesh, one thing to the Aam Aadmi Party guy, if you allow me, just 10
Boliye.
seconds. Sorry, I'm coming. Please, Arvind Kejriwal has spent crores on Sone ki toilet. At least ask your Arvind Kejriwal to give you a better Wi-Fi, yaar. हाँ? ये क्या है?
वो वाईफाई तो देंगे, वो बोलेंगे महाराष्ट्र सरकार की गलती, सरकार आपकी है, वो
भाई उनके भवन के अंदर है, वो केजरीवाल भवन के अंदर है महाराष्ट्र में, वो हमारे उसमें नहीं, पब्लिक वाईफाई नहीं है।
तो वहां पे स्टारलिंक लगवा दीजिए आप इनके लिए। Okay, I thank some of you for joining us on debate number 1. Viewers, let's shift our attention quickly